Some holes or tears present in your ventilation curtain doesn't mean it has to be replaced, but they do need to be addressed. Repairing them is a simple process, and we'll show you how. Be certain to always wear the appropriate personal protective equipment whenever working on a project. Identify the holes in your curtain and decide if they need to be repaired with a tape or a patch. We recommend tape for the smaller holes and patches for the larger ones. Start by cleaning the surrounding surface area on both sides of the curtain with a mild detergent or cleaning solution. Be sure to wipe the area dry after cleaning. Determine the length of tape you'll need to cover the hole and cut 2 identical pieces. Affix the tape to one side of the curtain and use your hand to smooth out air bubbles and ensure a tight seal. Once finished, you'll repeat the process for the opposite side. For large holes, you'll need to use either a poly curtain or vinyl curtain remnant and cut it to the appropriate size. The type of material your curtain is made of will determine the material you need for your patch. Once the surface area is cleaned, use a brush to paint the appropriate adhesive on both the curtain and the patch. Be certain to coat the patch entirely from edge to edge. Failure to do this may cause the patch to peel later. Just like the tape, place the patch over the hole and rub it in securely with your hand. Once finished, do the same on the opposite side. That's all there is to it. Your holes are sealed and your curtain retains its airflow efficiency. You can purchase the necessary adhesive and curtain tape at any Slat retail store or go to our website at www.hogslat.com.